Okay, we're gonna start by removing the hood of the unit. So that is all of these little T25 Torx bits.
Here, take the blade off. This tips up, that tips up. There'll be a plugged undo here.
For us. Be gentle.
We do have to unplug the headlights too.
Yep. Now we have a little extra thing as well because we have all these accessories in our dash.
The one with the washer and this one here.
Oh yeah. Doesn't that make working on a sled easier? Where's the glove box? I like putting my parts in the glove box
there,
as I'm working on
the boat parts.
On the boat parts. Everything's a constant ongoing project in here, isn't it? They're long, aren't they?
Yeah. That makes for short work.
Ooh, that almost made for long work. I got it though.
Yeah, we want to refrain from dropping any hardware into the cavity.
Which we tend to do on this
and then
channel.
that should just slide right out now.
So there's two more. I kind of, yeah, this seems familiar. Oh, I'm having a...
I know there's two less on the Gen5.
What's going on with that E-Link cord over there?
Okay, hold it right here, right here. Remember this one. So there's another little connector we're unplugging there. Okay. Now that'll pop off.
Okay.
There, just gently. It's like fishing. The harder you force it, the more it hooks in. There you go.
Watch all your wiring.
Can I check underneath here? One more.
Yeah, that's for the...
This little one.
I don't even know what that's for.
It's for the E-Link. Don't want these things to come off, do they?
And there's one
on each side on the bottom. Pretty easy to get out. I just can't get any leverage. My hand's caught in there. This cover has to come off.
Woo!
There we go.
What'd you do with the other?
Out. Should just slide up.
You need this bracket off. There you go. There's one. They're just like body panel clips. There you go.
They are.
Okay, so
We're gonna have to drill out those rivets and one bolt at the back right here. Probably should have used a bigger bit to drill these out. Well, the bumper was loose. There's two more rivets right in the front here. There we go. That one's done.
well, that one actually came off proper as well.
No, that's good.
There we go. Just like that. Wow, feel how light that is. Wimpy, wimpy, wimpy.
So those are the rivets we're drilling out.
So
there.
I'm gonna actually now show you on the new bumper. There's those 4 spots for the rivets in the new bumper.
Yeah. So I think we put that in, we bolt it loosely in place.
You bolt it here first, and then you worry about all of your other hardware points after.
Yeah,
so
let's do that. Giggity, giggity.
Fish it through there, go through the other side, and then this needs a little bit of...
And then you want to put that on the outside.
Yeah,
of
it
the
goes
bracket.
on the outside of these brackets in here that you removed, that the old bumper mounted into.
But it's looking sick. Good toe point for when we tow it.
Oh, great. So you're gonna start by putting in the 2 M6 hex with the locking nut. Both sides of it are 10 mil. Up at the top here, we're gonna start with just hand tight only, and then move into tightening them down once every other piece of hardware is in place.
It looks like it's got to go in more.
Oh, okay, good, it falls here. What happened to the wrench I had on the floor at my feet?
No idea. Way back there. It's moving. I think the garage floor sloped. Slides away.
So we're just gonna get that in place, but not really, you know,
I mean, when Redneck's dirty hands, he's happy when he does work like this. Of course, he's got a heated shop. He's never in -40 trying to install a bumper the night before a big snowmobile trip.
You see on the video here, you still got a little bit of maneuverability on each side of your machine because helps line things up. You just want to make sure that everything is in a good spot.
So we're just pushing the rivets in. We know that the bumper's lined up in all the 4 holes. He's working away in there diligently.
These will work their way in.
What the hell? Pete doesn't use words like diligently.
That one needs to be hammered in.
Yeah.
It's not in the hole, so don't do the yet. It needs to be hammered. Did it go?
Okay, that's it, yep.
You don't need fancy tools when you are the tool.
So do you literally just with a rivet gun just squeeze and it just does it?
You can do it if you want. Push it right to the wall and then just pull the trigger.
Okay.
You might have to pull the trigger twice. Oh, my son's first rivet.
So it goes like that, just flush?
I'm here for it.
Ready?
Yes. And then hit it again. Shouldn't. Yeah, there you go.
Did it break off in here?
Yep.
Oh, it does. Okay, cool.
And then you drive your wife's car over. She gets a flat. And it costs you $30. That one sounded like it broke off.
Yep. Ooh.
Yeah, don't do that.
You think a Gen 4 rattles a lot already?
It'll
Again?
draw itself in. I think, yeah. So you can see there's foam blocks in the side wall of the sled. I mean, you can get rid of them if you want.
But I think what we'll do, I think we just drill and then see where the drill bit comes out. So this is something we forgot the last time we had this sled apart. It's your exhaust clip. And I think, giggity, your wire.
There, that's in.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know what the best part is? You just ripped a nice round hole in the foam.
They're actually come out really easy. We didn't take the foam out, but it's actually made it down to the hard stuff, so we're good.
Yeah.
Okay, so
self-ejected foam circles.
Each one of these will get a washer, and then one of the lock nuts.
Just hold it with the screwdriver, and because it's only 10 Newton, fig Newtons.
I have a torque wrench for this.
Don't need torque.
Ideally, I mean, tight's tight. A little bit of Loctite on here. Really golden.
I don't know what your problem with torque wrenches are.
Someone's a grumpy elf.
You're hilarious, my friend.
Got a lot of footage of arms in here today.
They all have Loctite on them already. That's
Yep,
kind of a
that's
nice
good.
touch.
Ideally, you could remove that whole foam pad, but we're just too lazy.
I think it's
that's
tight.
super tight.
I was going to put all of them loose in first.
Yeah, do that.
That's good.
Okay. Well, let's tighten these top ones up. Okay. I just hand tighten it, man.
That's good. I guarantee you that that's going to be good. Yep, that's as tight as I'd want to make that. We're drilling straight up through the main module.
Right yeah.
You got to make sure that we are drilling as far, I think, inward, because you don't want to be blocked by those two frame nuts there.
To the back of the sled.
You want to be as far to the back of the sled as possible.
Yep.
Sweet. Let's tighten up both so it's even.
Like that.
Holy dude.
That's solid.
Yeah.
Remember the stock bumper? You could wiggle it.
That's not even.
No, you can't wiggle it. It's awesome.
Okay, so
Exhausting.
we've checked the tightness of all of our bumper stuff now. We've made sure that this has been reinstalled and it is clipped up. So the very next thing now is to put the exhaust back on.
And we tidied up some wiring under there as well. And then there's this actually rubber thing.
You're showing
Slides
it.
onto that pin there.
It's a good warm up.
Oh yeah, that guy.
And I still can't see my spark plugs after removing all this stuff.
I know, isn't that funny? You need to be an Ethiopian sled mechanic to get in here.
Are you close?
Close to dropping it. Yeah, that's in. And then one more. Yep. Perfect.
We have everything that we took off. We would have taken off. There's the headlights. This is the accessory line that we would have unplugged.
This is the one we always forget, is the airbox clamp when we're taking it apart. But putting it back together, it's easy. It slides right in. So you can see right here, there's the little one.
That's just because we have E-Link.
Like that. Red to red, black to black. You bring that back and then it slides forward. Now push it in. You got clips on the nose right at the teeth
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
that have to slide in too.
Okay, that's one.
You got this
That's
all.
two.
This is good. Slider. Perfect.
All
These
of our-
are in here, like they're not flapping. That's good.
So now we got our rat's nest to worry about. So that goes like that. Headlights. That's dash. This is the glove box extension. Snug like a bug in a rug.
Tighten the last bit with a hand.
You'd be surprised.
Yeah, I've seen your surprises. I don't like them.
Yeah, that's good.
Noted.
Same exact process.
Got negative and positive written on it. Black to the bottom, red on top. Like that.
This is the only one that needs to be out, is just this cord, right? Does the glove box go in after the dash?
No, it's kind of a dance that you... There, you got her. There.
Just gently, there you go. Where's the phone holder? Because I can test that we actually plug that USB in. Okay, is everything on?
Headlights, yep. Turn your signals on.
Yeah, they're on.
Not a bad little task, actually. It was fairly easy to install. It was minimal tools, really. I mean, we had some fancy power tools from Milwaukee, but really it was easy to install. You just got to take your time as you go, and you'd be laughing, but this thing looks killer. Yeah, look at that. So this is a B-PWR bumper, and you can get them at any dealer. Energy Power Sports, of course, would be able to order them for you or get them for you. And you can check out B-PWR.com. I don't know whether it's linked off of there or not, but...
We're good. We have power.
We have power there?
Yeah.
Good. So that's important to check. Get all your wirings together so we can load this.
Together on this?
Yep.
Let's get out in the snow. You kidding me?
This bumper looks sick. The red hand caps, it just finishes it all off.